Hello my gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pedroline. For some of you who don't know me, of course, if it's your first time to come to my channel, you are kindly requested to subscribe to my channel and leave some comment if you are interested. So in today's weekend, we are going to kick the weekend by talking about Cardi B. As you know, this weekend she has been like celebrating her birthday. It was her birthday. She has like turned 28 years old on Sunday, which is today. So for me, I feel as if all this drama that she was like trying to create all this past week, it was just like a publicity stunt, because even her song, it got to #1. And then also when I looked on her Instagram, she wrote a statement saying that, in quotation, "I'm kicking off my birthday weekend by announcing I am officially dropping my first ever Reebok X Cardi B footwear collection on the 11th of, not on the 11th, on the 13th of November, which is next month, And then on social media, she has got 76.4 million subscribers, which is a lot for him. So all the drama that she was like causing these few weeks, saying that she has filed for divorce, all those things, it was just a lie, because when I looked at the video that was just like obtained by TMZ, it was showing that, she was all over Offset, rubbing each other, kissing each other. She was busy shaking her behind against Offset, because already that Cardi B, most of the time, she's like, I don't know if she's still a stripper, because she's always like shaking, I think she's very good at shaking, Cardi B, I think you have to teach the Namibian girl how to, to shake the bum, because for me, sometimes it's like, I'm always like distracted, when I see her like shaking, because she's always like shaking the behind, So I think maybe she's like talented in dancing, I don't know, So when I looked at the video, I saw that, they were just like kissing each other all over against each other, Even Offset, offered her a present and a billboard. On the billboard, it was showing Cardi B and the daughter. And then the billboard, it was just like hanged on the wall, which is a nice thing, for him to do such kind of a thing, even though he said that it was the baby culture with a K who came up with that suggestion, and the daughter is very beautiful, to be honest with you guys. So that's what he presented to her. And also he offered her a new car, which is a Rolls Royce with culture's name on the seats, For me, honestly speaking, I think these people, they were still smashing each other, It was just like a publicity stunt, because normally, Cardi B, she never comes out from drama. I don't know why, She's already famous. I don't know why does she have to do this, this cloud, because this cloud, is supposed to be for smaller YouTuber, like us who are like upcoming, YouTuber, not for celebrity. But of course, I can understand that even celebrity nowadays, they're not making money like the way they used to do, And of course, unwinding with Tasha K also, she talked about her, because she was about to divorce Offset due to unwinding with Tasha K. She's one of the YouTuber here on YouTube, she was like saying that Offset has impregnated another lady, and she was also alleging that, Offset, he's still communicating with one of the baby mama, and they're still having like some sexual intercourse. That's been told by what Tasha K allegedly, So that also, I think it made Cardi B, like to realize that Offset is not a good man for her. So she was like, even though, she has filed for divorce, so nobody knows if they have reconciled, their difference, So for me, I feel as if, this lady, she's doing the most, even though I like her as a person, she has never done anything wrong towards me in order for me to hate her. So for me, I have got love for her, including the baby, because there's a baby that is being involved there, even though, it's not easy once when you see that you are dealing with a man that has got a lot of kids, I don't think that maybe this man is going to stop cheating on her. You know, he's going to continue cheating on her as long as she continue conducting herself in that manner, shaking her bum like that, you know, because it comes a time in life as a lady, you know, sometimes we have to, I think for me, you know, she has to become like matured enough, you know, because most of the time, you know, even when I looked at the video, of course it's her birthday, you know, she's supposed to celebrate her birthday the way she wants it, you know, but when I looked at the video, that was just the video that just surfaced, you know, that was from like TMZ. When I looked at the video, I saw that, you know, it was Cardi B's birthday. She was busy dancing. Of course, she's entitled to do that. But there's one lady that I was just like, she was just like distracting me in the video, you know, because it's like Offset, you know, was trying to take a snap, like a video, you know, towards Cardi B. So there's an excuse me, you know, I don't know what's happening. Sometimes I'm like I've got allergy, you know. Normally when the trees are like green, you know, I've got allergy. Sometimes it's very difficult for me like to breathe, something like that, when it's like the trees are like green, something like that, even though it's not summertime, you know. Excuse me. So for me, you know, when like Offset was busy taking a video, you know, because he wanted to take a video of the wife, so it's like Cardi B was busy dancing. Then there's one lady who was wearing a yellow tight and a pink, excuse me, a yellow tight and a yellow top. So that lady, she was trying her level best, you know, to be like distracting what Offset, you know, she was busy, she was doing the most, you know, because she was also busy shaking her behind, you know. For me, I feel as if this Cardi B of theirs, you know, she has to look at people that she's surrounding herself with, you know. I don't think that maybe the people who are playing her those games, that maybe there are people from very far. I think the people who are just cheating with her husband, you know, there are people in her circle, you know, because she's allowing that as a lady, you know, to allow her men to be cheating on her, you know, due to the way that she's conducting herself. I know that this lady, she's very loud, you know, but if she is going to continue conducting herself, she's also giving Tasha K an opportunity, so that she should be like bashing her, all those things, you know. But as for me, you know, because I'm just like a lady like her, you know, but I just pray that, you know, her marriage, you know, should last longer, you know, but she has to be very careful with the people that she's surrounding herself, you know. So even this Offset of theirs, you know, he has to respect this lady, you know, because this lady, just by looking, you know, for me, I feel as if, you know, Cardi B really loves this man, you know. She's doing the most that she wants to do. I feel as if, you know, she wants to have a family with this man, but it's just that this man, he's not mature enough, you know. He's still playing like a boy, you know. He's not matured, you know. The moment when you're having like a lot of kids, you know, that's the time for you, Offset, because right now I'm directing this video to you, Offset, you know. You have to respect the mother of your child, you know. She's tired, you know. Look at the embarrassment that you have caused towards this lady. I know that you're going to hate me, but the fact remains that we have to speak for this Cardi B. You know, look at the shame that you have created towards this lady. Even you, Cardi B, once when we try to support you, don't try to come against us, because right now we are trying to support you. I know that you will go there on social media busy bashing those people who are talking bad thing about Offset. You know, people are doing that because of the pain that you're going through, you know. So allow people to support you, so that you should get a good man who's going to marry you and take care of you. Because this Offset, he's busy giving you depression, stressed. Most of the time you have to go on your social media defending a man that is not even defending you, defending a man that is always cheating on you, defending a man that is he's giving you mental disturbance. So you don't need such kind of a man like that in your life. So see you guys in my next video. I hope you're going to take good care of yourself. Bye bye, my lovely people.